My name is Natasha Davies. I went to the Open University and my business is called Because You Can Coaching. I worked for 16 years in the mental health sector, so I got to the point where I thought I'd like to do something on my own. I offer entrepreneur mindset coaching. I kind of cross over the boundaries between life coaching and business coaching. I looked at the Open University because I was working part-time. That kind of fitted well with me. I wasn't thinking about starting a business back then because I don't think it was visible then. I think with social media now it's more visible. You can see people setting up businesses, you can see people succeed in those areas. You see that as an option. It's something I think would be good as a core thing throughout all of education, really. It's so useful in lots of other ways, all the things like the determination, the tenacity, the problem solving. They're all really useful skills to that could benefit all students, not just people who perhaps want to go on and start their own business. With the entrepreneur mindset, you have to move beyond limitation. You have to work around things. You will have challenges. You have to kind of keep going regardless of those challenges. So I think sometimes we think things are harder than they are, and we stop ourselves and we talk ourselves out of things when actually we just need to have a go and see what happens. So I think that's what entrepreneurship is all about. It's just flying by the seat of your pants mostly and just having a go.